Hi! Many of you might be struggling on how to fry fish and getting it perfectly cooked and then giving it this extra good flavor. I will show you how. So I start with sunflower oil. This one has no flavors and it can go really high in temperature. Then I put my frying pan onto full power. I have induction here. If you have a cooking top, just make sure that you see the oil is sizzling hot. Then I season my fish, salt and pepper. For today I have cod, and I'm gonna fry. So let's see, you should hear the sizzling sound. Yeah, now we have it, perfect. That's gonna be nice. And then I wait until this is golden brown. And when it's golden brown, I flip it over, turn on the temperature, and I'm gonna add some other ingredients. So now when it's in the pan, I flip it around. Look here, nicely golden brown. Perfect. Then I add garlic. And this garlic here is going to make it really flavorful. So all these flavors will go out to the oil and we're going to glaze it with these flavors. Okay, the temperature I put down to 3. And then I want to add a herb. And one of the herbs I love is actually thyme. Some thyme. And then butter. Lemon, and all these flavors will go out to the fat. So let's have a look here. Wow, that's nice. So then you start glazing the fish with these flavors. Looking awesome. Look at that. Perfect.